Hi guys, just want to give you a quick overview of what to expect when you receive your brand new S50 Carbon in a box. So when you do receive it, it'll arrive just like the one in front of me here. On the side, you've got a little infographic telling you that it is an S50. And then on the end of the box just here, you've got your serial label. So that has details on the product and a serial number for you guys to book in the scooter and make sure that you track it properly. So all that's left to do is to unbox. So you've got the flaps on the top, open up, and then let's take a look at what's inside. So once you've opened the box, this is what you'll be left with. You've got a series of components that are available straight away. So at the front of the product, you've got your two removable armrests. So make sure you take those out and store them separately because you'll need those shortly. And then at the rear of the product, you have the removable battery and your charger. So again, take those out of the packaging and store them separately to the side. And very importantly, also underneath the battery, you'll have your owner's manual and your two NFC keys, which obviously needed to start up a scooter. So please make sure before you unbox any further that you've got a checklist. You've got your armrests, your battery, your charger, your owner's manual, and your keys. So once all of those items are removed, you can remove your first layer of packaging at the front and the back. And these are both fully recyclable, so please take them to your local recycling centre. Cool, so once all of that packaging is removed, now we can get down to the scooter. So the first thing that I just want to mention is please do not lift by the tiller. So you have your adjustable tiller here. There is a little receiver button here to operate the tiller. Please do not lift the scooter out of the box using that tiller. We want to keep that protected. The best way to lift the scooter out of the box is down on the side here, on the side of the seat, and simply lift. And then finally, once the scooter is removed, all that you'll be left with is two more pieces of packaging and the cushion. So get the cushion stored with the scooter and with your other items. And then when everything is removed, so double check the box that you've got all of the items we've just spoken about. The two pieces of packaging from earlier can go back into the box and that can all be fully recycled and taken away. So once everything's out of the box and all the packaging has been thrown away, this is what you should be left with. So you've got your scooter, your battery, your owner's manual and keys, a charger, a cushion, and your two removable armrests. Cool. So the final step is to remove all of the packaging, and to do that, we need to lift the tiller. So how we do that is feeling about halfway down the stem, and you'll start to feel the release lever. Make sure you fully engage that lever. The tiller goes all the way up, and now we're ready to get rid of the rest of the packaging. Now we've removed all the packaging, we can finish the assembly of the scooter. So just very quickly, here is the catch that I mentioned previously, which is just the tiller. So just to recap, pull that, and that allows you to adjust the tiller. Now the scooter is in this position, we need to raise the seat. So to raise it, it's simply done, lift up until you hear a click, and that seat is now locked into position. If you ever did need to fold that back down, there's a release lever at the back here, pull and fold. But to get the chair set up, we release it back until it clicks and it's set up. Now from the items that we unboxed earlier, the first thing you have is your cushion, which just velcros onto the seat like so. Secondly, we have the battery, which just fits into the rear of the scooter and locks in nice and easy. And then finally, you have your removable armrests. So to fit these, there's one on either side. There is a little bit of a key that lines up on the receiver. Slot that in and your armrests fold down, and you have one to do on either side. And once that's in, the scooter is now fully assembled. To start your scooter, make sure you have your NFC key that we unboxed earlier. Simply press the on button and you'll see the word start appear on your display. Hover the key over the on button, wait for 2 seconds till you hear a click, and then you're ready to go. Right guys, so we've now fully unboxed the
Lifestyle
scooter,
and
and it's ready
Mobility,
to
your
go.
local mobility specialist.